Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how to reset all settings on your iPhone. Open up settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down again, tap on reset. The very first one, tap on reset all settings. Put in your phone password, wait for your phone to restart up, and it will only reset your settings. It will not reset your device. It will not reset your device. It will only reset all settings. Just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I see you all in the next one. Peace. See ya. Bye-bye.